Some tips today I show you how to buy eSIM that will work in Mexico. Link and coupon will be in the description, and open the description and click on this link eSim voyafly.com. Open this web page, this service number 1 for eSIM, and write Mexico and click on this. Open this page and high-speed 4G, 5G data, and choose data type unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited, and choose a speed plan light, plus, premium. I recommend plus or premium. I'm select premium and select days. I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. Open new page and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Discount ROAM tips $35.40 and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email and write payment data and billing address and click on buy now. Open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address eSIM QR code and scan this QR code and install eSIM in your phone. And that's all. eSIM is work. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.